AQR 9.1-3. Modular graphs, day 3. So today, we are going to be doing mod 20. And I've given you some graphs in there to do mod 20. Which means, and I didn't provide it, and I'll update it in the future handouts, and also in Amplify. I think for tomorrow's lesson, I'm just going to keep it inside Amplify. So we'll have one for practice and we'll have one for notes because it gets really, really, really long because we're going to do mod 50 tomorrow, and I don't think writing up a table and all those ones, and you want to check to see if your table's right. Having a wrong value could throw it all off. So I'm going to try to keep it inside the table. I'm also going to look to make tomorrow's table. I'll update it so that the table will give you a check mark to do that. I have to recode everything, but I'll do that work. So which is mod 20? So we're going to do an example, and we're going to do y equals, we'll do 6x mod 20. Okay? That's our first one, and I've given you. So I didn't provide the table, so let me send this over to me. Correct. 0 to 19. So we're going to make a table. In this table, x and y is going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're going to just do 2 examples. You can do this work and make it a table. So this one is just 6x plus 0, right? Now, because this is mod 20, this means that we can go all the way up to 19 before we have to lower the convergence, the congruence, apologies. So let's start with the first one. The first value is, Victor, we're not leaving because you got a phone call in here. Come on. You got a phone call, I heard your phone ring. Where's your phone? Is your phone up? Exactly, because you're walking out with your phone. So, our value starts at 0 on this one. And then we're going by what? Going by 6. So the next one is? Huh? What's our next value? We just said we're going up by 6. Six. Going by 6s. 6x. Next value is? Yeah. So 6 plus 6 is 12, which is okay. Still on our circle also, right? Then 18, that's still good. It's mod 20, not mod 10. So we're still good. It's still less than the mod n. Plus 6 would be 24, but 24 doesn't work. So yes, we go to 4 because it was 24, but we go here. 2, get 22, but it's a 2. Okay, adding 6. 8, good. Next one. 14, good. Next one. 20, which becomes 0. Up, we hit or repeat. So now I really don't have to track all my math because I have all my answers already. And I just copy and repeat them because once you get to 0, everything's just going to repeat from there. So 6, 12, 18, 4, 10, 16, 2, 8, and 14. Once I reached the 0, because my first output was 0, once I reached here, I just knew I could continue doing the math and try to add my 6's again and do that work again. Or I know, hey, I've already done that work. My answers are right there. We got a secondary phone there? What is that? Oh, external? All right, so let's do this. 0, 0, so that's just a dot, nothing special there. 1 to 6, and you just got to take your time. 1 to 6, 2 to 12, 3 to 18. Oop, it's over here. 3 to 18. 4 to 4, that's just a dot. Yep, yep.
So before you get to the lower number, when you got to 8 is 8, because it's actually 48, 8 left over. But then if you add 48
plus 6.
never mind, I see it.
Okay. Yes. Why do I have 14?
Are we going all the way to 20 now?
For 9? This one right here? Because what's 8 plus 6? So we're going by plus 6. So when we're doing this, it's plus 6 because it's 6x. So every single time we're just doing plus 6 on this problem. All right, we did 5, 5, 10. Next one is 6, 16. 7, 2. 8, 8, just a dot. 9, 14. 10, 0. Ah, that didn't look good. 10, 0. 11, 6. 12, 12, just a dot. 13, 18. 14, 4. 15, 10. 16, 16. 17, 2. 18, 8. And 19, 14.
So when I get to 10,
Uh-huh.
because it's 24 to 60, I can go back to 0 because it gets rid of all of them, right?
Correct. And so once you've gotten back to 0, since we started at 0, what is our output? We know all the rest of the values and we don't really have to do any more calculations. Now I know without utilizing a calculator. Filling in this table is what is the true math. The next part, of course, you need a straight edge if you're trying to draw it. Your lines may look a little curved, and it probably is not going to be as clean as what I'm drawing it up here. That's fine. This is like the secondary piece, but look at how cool that pattern is right there. This is how when you're doing stitching, and you get those cool little patterns. That's what's going on. Yeah. Well, we have it here in your table on your notes that are, or the extra handout I gave you. I'm not going to check your notes. This is for your own. You got to be able to do it. All right, questions on here. What are we at? Now, again, I'll give you a little bit of time for those of you trying to draw it out. We'll go a couple minutes, and then we'll go into the next example. You want to do mod 400? We can do it. You can do it. I mean, Jimmy says we should do mod 400. Well, because that's our end. What we're trying to get to is our end goal. And so instead of just jumping to our end goal, we're working on scaffolding it so that we can build those skills to get to our final ones. So I like to make the lesson so I know what that end goal is. I want to do a mod 50. But why jump to a mod 50? How complicated is that going to be? So we're trying to build it up, and that's what we're doing for all those lessons. We're trying to just build. Let's lay some foundational work that we can have some success, then a little bit more success, and then finally we can do the real problem, which is the last one. But also I'll let you get some grades for doing the simpler, more basic stuff. That's okay. All right, one more. X, Y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I apologize, I should have made the table within the, I'll make sure I update that. Y equals, who would you like?
What was the equation again? Y equals 6x?
6x was the previous one. What do you want to do? Huh? What about what? 9? Okay. 9x plus 1. That's a hard one. 9 is a hard one. Odds are there. 9x plus 1. All right, so where do we start? We start at 1. Okay, and we're going by 9s. Good. So 10. We're going by 9s. 19. Next one. 8, because it's 28. And again, if you're struggling, the circle's here. So if you're like, I don't know what to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Mod 20. Plus 7 is, or plus 9 is what? 26. So 6. 15. 24. We don't use a 2. 13. 22. 11. 20, which becomes 0. 9 and 18, that's nice. 27, so just a 7. 16, 25, 14. Now, you can also kind of see a pattern here. If I skip every other one, it's just going by my twos. 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. And the other one is going by 10. It's also going down by 2s, 4, 2, 0, then 18, 16, 14, 12. So there's patterns here that can help you see if you're doing it correctly. Now again, what myself and Miss Patterson are most looking at in terms of your knowledge is the filling in of the table of finding all the values in the correct mod. Can you count? Can you use slope? Skills that you've done. And let's draw it. Again, if you're struggling with drawing, we'll have the amplifies tomorrow to be able to draw it. But let's draw it. So 0, 1, 110, 219, 3, 8, 4, 17, 5, 6, 6, 15, 7, 4, 8, 13, 9 to 2, 10 to 11, 11 to 0, 12, 9. You can see that pattern already showing. 13, 18, 14, 7, 15, 16, 16, 5, 17, 14, 18, 3, and 19, 12. The waffle. I got a waffle. The math portion is what's most important of what we're doing here. Again, tomorrow I will make it so that the Amplify is going to be checking your answers in your table. And we'll stick, instead of giving you papers that you can draw going through those values. That's our lesson for today. I'm going to keep coming around so that if you have any questions about what we did and you need support,